So good. Nathaniel's been asking to go to Maui, go to Hawaii, where I'm from. And it's already has autism, right? So it's hard to explain like, hey, there's a coronavirus and they're not allowing us to fly. He's wondering why we're at home. So I do my best to explain it to him. But I thought, hey, let's actually make a custom airplane. Let's make a custom airplane. And now he's all excited. And we drew it together. And airplane. Do you like the airplane? That's actually marks on his face from a Sharpie. But now he's excited. All good. 3D printing in our house. Oh, so good.
Airplane.
Airplane. It's almost done, Nathaniel. You almost got like 20 minutes. What's those marks on your face? What's up, Nathaniel? How are you, buddy? You only got 20 minutes left. Oh, it's looking so good. You know, so one thing that I'll say, I'm just taking advantage of a nice and quiet moment right now, you know, but I'll just say that, and there he goes. Hello! There he goes. But, you know, one thing that I'll say is that autism, right? It's just like this hard thing that you live with, and but it is what it is, you know? And it's like at the end of the day, we have a son with autism, and therefore we're going to pour into him. We're going to give him all of our entire hearts, you know, and our minds, and we're just going to, you know, work hard to bring him out of it, you know. When we started this MakersSpace, Nathaniel did not want to be in here, you know. He thought it was loud, it was kind of like bright and all that. What's up, buddy? He's back, you know. But then it was like, you know, I started spending more time, and then Gabby started spending more time. Then he would come in, and he would go out, and he would come in, and he would go out, you know. I put him on Fusion 360, and I tried to get him to do some, you know, follow some tutorials and just do some lines, and he would just click, 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 and then he would like get frustrated because he couldn't do anything, and he'd walk out, you know, and then it was just hard, right? But then he came in, and we're talking just in the last couple weeks, right? This is all brand new. Then he would come in, and then I thought, why am I having him do like a tutorial, like the kids' tutorials for our academy? Why am I having him do a tutorial? And I was like, you know what, let's just do a happy face. Let's do a happy face. And then let's just like, you know, just make a 5-inch circle. And then like, now let's just do one more circle. And then 1 inch and one more circle. And then let's do like a little arc over here. And then another arc, and oh, the mouth can talk, oh, you know. And then let's extrude it. And all of a sudden he made his own 3D model. And it was like, it was super cool, you know. And now he's made 2 of them. And then I just did the plane, but he was like, I was like, you know, so should we go skinny or should we go fat? Should we have a bigger back end, you know? Should we like, you know, what kind of wings should we have and stuff? And he doesn't speak, you know, he says certain words, but then I was like, is this okay? And he's like, yes. And if I said like, oh, is this okay? Then he'd be like, no, don't do that, you know? So, and check this out. I mean, this is like a couple hours and he's still in here, you know? So I would say, like, if you know somebody with autism and you're thinking about making a MakerSpace, you're thinking about doing things, you don't need a bunch of money. You can start making things out of cardboard. You can start making things out of, you just gotta start spending time with them in a creative atmosphere, you know? Come up with projects and stuff, and try to, you know, if they have like maybe bad habits or other things or something, just try to get some quiet time and then introduce things and just be patient. Oh, Nathaniel, we just be patient. And then after a while, they just start building things and doing things, and it just happens, right? So follow our journey. because I'm just gonna like it's my thing right here. Like we have tutors every day with Nathanael, not so much with the coronavirus and stuff now, but it's like, you know, this MakerSpace is what I do, right? I'm a maker at work, Titans of CNC, but it's like this is my way to like just pour into my son and stuff. So just follow the journey, because we're gonna see what we can do with him, you know. That sounds weird, but you know what I mean? Like, I'm excited. I got him to do a smiley face. He's 8 years old. I'm just gonna keep going. And then it's all about projects. It's about completing projects. It's about building his self-esteem, building his confidence. Success, success, success. Win, win, win. We celebrate every single win, all right? Hey, Nathanael. Nathanael, you say bye? You say bye? No, right here. No, come, right here. No.
Bye.
Bye. Say I love you.
I love you.
Okay, guys, I'll see you later. I'll show you the plane in just a second. Wow, it's pretty cool. And that's the last part. Look at that. So so cool. Did you show them the airplane? You show them the airplane? Show them the airplane. So good. Can we see? Oh, it's got the little, look at that. Oh. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.